Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Architectural Plan. In this session, we will see how we can assign names to the spaces drawn and decorated with furnitures in the last sessions. The first thing we can do is we can create a perfect size text scale till satisfaction, and then we can copy and paste the same text at multiple spaces. Like this, we can place it at one point, copy it, and then paste it at different spaces wherever it is required. Afterwards, we can simply double click on the text. It will give the option to rename it. In AutoCAD, we get a variety of options like the justification, alignment, the text bold, italics, etc. Let's go with the standard format. We have assigned different names like bedroom 1, bedroom 2, kitchen, dining, and then reception, like this. We have garage, patio, and some other spaces as well, but we will do them one by one as we create and complete those areas, as currently the garage and patio is incomplete. The patio is merely use of hatch command, which would be done in the very last few sessions. So here we have assigned the names, given them a proper layer so that if anyone demands an architectural layout without names or with just names, we can turn on or turn off those specific layers to get the desired result. This was all about this session where we have seen how we can use the layer of names and assign different names to different spaces. That would be very helpful in future. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.